friendly call signs. We are no longer on the defensive. I repeat, consolidate and counterattack.
This is ODA Foxtrot! The Russians are disengaging! We got them on their heels!
Beyond the jagged edges of war, there were still Russians who rejected Makarov's lunacy. Men willing to stand against the tide.
Price, we've got vital signs, but they're weak. Soap won't last without proper attention.
He's a hard bastard. Trust me, he'll make it.
We're picking up inbound signatures.
We've got company.
It's Makarov. He's tying up loose ends. Who's your best man?
Yuri, ex-Spetsnaz. Only man I know who hates Makarov more than you.
Get him. They'll use the ridgeline for cover and fly in from the south.
How do you know?
It's what I'd do.
Coming over the ridge! How many of them? 3 Havocs and 4! No, 5 Mi-17s! Commandos fast roping down! Get the fire team on the roof!
Yuri, over here! We need to get soap to the chopper!
What is that?
Is everyone alright?
Do whatever this man says!
Yuri, take position on the balcony! We need to buy the doctor some time! Keep your eyes on the courtyard. They've breached the courtyard! Take them down! We need to hold them off until we can move soap!
More choppers coming on the way!
Get over here! Yuri, get over here! Yuri, get over here! Yuri, get over here! Give me the shot!
They're on the roof! We've got to get soap to the chopper!
I got him!
Yuri, you with me? Yuri, over here! Target 11 o'clock! Roger, tracking target! Downstairs, move! Yuri, on me! We've got to get through the courtyard!